This is E, an artificial intelligence program. E writes programs to solve problems that you give it. You pose a problem to E by giving some examples. Suppose you are young Archimedes and you're trying to find a way to calculate the area of a circle given its radius. Through careful measurement, you write down a few examples. This is exactly what we give E. Let me show you around the program. On the right, you're seeing the program that E created. It is an approximate solution for your problem. In this program, we can see that area is set to something that looks very much like pi, and multiplied times the radius times the radius. In other words, pi r squared. This is a pretty good solution. We're not trying to figure out pi to the last digit. This AI software is all about finding a good enough solution. It's not worried about a perfect solution. In the general case, your data has noise in it anyway. In this case, measurement noise. On the left, you're seeing a plot of how well E is doing when it's figuring out your problem. We're actually plotting how much E's best solution deviates from your examples. The longer it runs, the less error there should be. If you click on the plot, it changes to prediction mode. Now it's showing the values calculated by the program it created, the lines, versus what you said you wanted, the dots. In this case, you can't see the difference. Information about E's current state is stored in the status row. .circle is the folder that contains our examples. AreaSir.dat is the file containing our examples. Echo tells us which of a number of independent solutions we're looking at. We can click this control to see other solutions to our problem. Seed is the random number seed. E starts by generating random solutions. Seed shows us the number used to seed the random number generator. Setting this seed to a particular number lets us repeat an earlier solution set exactly. Generation counts the number of programs created during the whole evolution from really bad programs to really good programs. E is controlled by pushing these buttons. They are arranged so that you generally move from left to right as you work with E. One exception is the Help button. That's probably where you'll want to start. Pick Problem lets us pick a file containing our examples. Generally, you should only put related problems in a particular folder. Configure lets us fine-tune the parameters that control E's behavior. Although there are default values for everything, this lets us fine-tune the knobs. Go starts evolving solutions to your examples. Pause lets you pause E. Abort tells E to stop running and forget any solutions that were developed so far. Stop tells E to terminate the current run normally, saving any solutions. Test lets you test the solutions we've evolved against arbitrary data. These solutions are written out in standard Python and can be run immediately with or without E. Help starts browsing E's help file. Mute turns off all sounds. Press this button again to turn the sounds back on. Small window reduces E to the bare minimum. This is useful when running very difficult problems which may take a long time to evolve. You can keep an eye on it, but it doesn't take over your desktop. Notice the subtle color changes to let you know that E is still running. Status messages are displayed at the bottom. As E runs, it will tell you about significant changes here. This is just a brief introduction. More to come.